All right, guys, we've got your heavy duty EastPin storage strap. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So you get 6 of these. What you get is you get 3 big ones and you get 3 small ones. Now, these are these are great for cables, like extension cords, but they're also good for like hoses. Any sort of cables or cords, these are gonna be great for. I'm showing you an example of how they can work for extension cords. Basically, they just Velcro around the cord itself and you can hang them if you want. But they're good for storing them and just keeping them wrapped up and not getting all tangled up. Let's go ahead and show you the hose too. I already put it on the hose here. This allows you, if you wanted, this just wraps around. It's super heavy duty and sturdy. It's a really good Velcro, and you're gonna be able to hang this in your garage or just keep it wound up and keep things from getting tangled up. These things are super simple to use, super easy to use. If you wanna stay more organized, it's dumb for you to leave this page without getting them. Why not just get them? Bye.